What's going on YouTube? Today I'm bringing you guys a tutorial. My client is getting a mid-high fade with a man bun on top. First off, we're going to start off with the no guard lever closed, and this is going to make it a lot easier for me when blending into that no guard lever open. And our first panel is going to be the no guard lever open. And to take that line out, it's going to be pretty simple. Just go ahead and put the lever halfway and close it as you go down if needed. And our next panel right above that is going to come in with the number 1 guard open, and we're going to close it right beneath that. It's just soften up the line. It's not going to take it out completely, but it will soften it. So right here we're coming in with the half guard open and closing, trying to eliminate that last line that is in between the 1 guard closed and the lever open no guard. So this right here is going to be the last guard we're going to use. It's the number 2 guard closed, just flicking all the way out. Right here we're coming in with the number 1.5 guard open and close it, trying to take that last line out. If it doesn't work, we'll come in right back with the 1 guard lever open and try to detail that line out. Our next step here is going to come in with the trimmers, just to remove any of that stubble. Trying to flick out as you get up to the top, try not to create no other lines. And just to get the fade closer to the skin, we're going to come in with the shavers. This should get it really skin bald, and that's about the last step. If you do have any lines, you can come right in with the trimmers and just corner cut. So right here for the lineup, we're going to start off in the center of the forehead and make our way to the highest point, in this case being his left side. Always combing the hair down to his natural position, trying not to push it back. So right here we just slap that number 1 guard open. We're coming in here just detailing, trying to get any of the dark spots. Moving on to the other side of the head, we really just came in with a number 2 to deep bulk, and now we're going to go ahead and put in that freestyle design. If you guys need any help with the designs, let me know and I'll go ahead and make future videos on those more in depth. You really just want to make sure you're using the corners of the blade. Try not to make the line too thick. You're going to come right back with a razor to make it thicker if needed. So right here I forgot to record the razor work, but fading this part is pretty simple. You're really just going to repeat the same steps. We're fading into a number 2, so we're coming in with the no guard lever open and closing it as we go down. Right here we're just going to come in with the number 1 open and close as we go down, just trying to blend that into the top number 2. Might have to come in with the 1.5 guard just to get the blend finished. Right here we're just coming in with the half guard, making sure the blend is coming together nicely with the back and the sides. Here's the before and here's the after, y'all. Let me know what you guys think. Did we save my boy? It's looking kind of rough, but you know, we had to get him right. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you guys found it helpful, make sure y'all share it, leave a like, subscribe. Go ahead and follow my socials. They're going to be posted all in my description. Until next time, peace.